Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Canva app upload error. It's really simple and easy. So if you are following this error, the following font file is not currently supported, I will show you how to fix it. For this, first of all, just tap and hold on this Canva application here and then simply go for this app info. Now in app info, you can see this option for stop. Just simply tap on it and tap on this OK. Now go for this storage and cache and you will see the options here clear cache. Tap on it and then simply tap on this clear storage as well. Click on this delete. Now check your problem will be solved. If it doesn't, method number 2 is go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and then simply search for this Canva application. So if there is any update, just make sure to update it. After updating, check your problem of Canva app is solved or not. If it doesn't, method number 3 is long press on the power button of your phone and then simply click on restart. After restarting, your problem of Canva app upload error, the following font file is not currently supported, definitely will be solved. So try these methods. One of these methods will work for you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.